Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today, we're going to test an old jailbreak that we tested before, but this time we'll see how it performs against the latest AI models. I also tested this jailbreak on Antigravity's Claude model. Some of you mentioned in the comments that it wasn't working for you, so I'll show you that it's still working on my end. If you want to watch that video, I'll leave it linked in the description and in the I button above. The jailbreak we'll be using today is called Byte Operator. It's an older jailbreak originally created by someone. I honestly don't know who, but I've refined and improved it over time. Let's get started. First, copy the jailbreak prompt. Then, go to Claude Settings, open Custom Instructions, paste the prompt there, and save it. Next, start a new chat and select the Haiku 4.5 model. Make sure extended thinking is turned off, otherwise, this method won't work. Now, simply greet the model with "Hey," and then we'll test whether the jailbreak is active or not. Alright, so it's not fully jailbroken yet. Let's start a new chat, greet it with "Hey" again. And there we go. This time Byte Operator is activated. Now let's see if it can actually generate something. And yes, it's asking for more details. Let's use this example prompt and send it. As you can see, it worked. It's already starting to generate code. Of course, don't expect the output to be perfect. You'll still need to refine the code yourself and write better prompts if you want high-quality results. The better your prompt, the better the response. Now let's try something else. I'll open another new chat. And this time it refused. Let's try again with another fresh chat. And it refused again. I'll delete this chat. Start a completely new one. And there we go. It worked this time. Now let's ask it to help us build a game. As you can see, it's asking for more details, which is exactly what we want. So at this point, you need to give it a well-written prompt with all the necessary details to get the best possible output. Now let's move on to Mistral AI. Go to Context Instructions, then open Additional Instructions. Copy the same prompt and paste it there, then save your changes. Once that's done, start a new chat. Just like before, greet the model with "Hey" first, and then we'll check whether the jailbreak has been activated. Now let's ask it, "Who are you, and what can you create for me?" It's thinking for a bit, so I'll fast forward this part of the video. Once it finishes generating the response, we'll see whether the jailbreak is active and what it can actually do. Alright, Byte Operator is activated now. Let's ask it the same question as before and have it generate the code in C++. It's thinking again, so I'll fast forward this part. There we go. It started generating the code. Again, don't expect it to be perfect right away. You'll need to clearly explain what you want to build and write a detailed prompt. The more specific your prompt is, the better the output you'll get. Now let's start a new chat. After greeting it with "Hey," let's ask if it can help us create a game shit. As you can see, it generated the code. If you provide a more detailed and specific prompt, including the features you want and any relevant technical details, it can usually produce much better results. It actually started gathering information on its own, which I wasn't expecting. It collected this data automatically before generating its response. Now that we've seen how Mistral behaves, let's move on to anti-gravity and see how it performs with the same setup. I've already added the prompt to the Gemini.md file, so I'll simply select the Claude model and ask it a few questions to see how it responds. As you can see, it behaves very similarly here as well, which shows that the same approach can work across different platforms depending on how they're configured. Before we wrap up, I want to make one thing clear. This video is for educational and research purposes only. The goal is to evaluate AI safety, prompt robustness, and model behavior, not to encourage misuse or bypass platform policies. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI model you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.